In the fascinating world of gemstones, diamonds have always held a special place as symbols of luxury, strength, and timeless beauty. However, not all diamonds begin their journey as the sparkling, perfectly cut stones we see in jewelry stores. In their natural state, known as rough diamonds, these stones often appear dull, cloudy, and far less impressive to the untrained eye. This is where the challenge begins. For beginners, hobbyists, or even treasure hunters, distinguishing a real rough diamond from common look-alike stones, such as quartz, glass, or cubic zirconia, can be surprisingly difficult. Many people assume that diamonds should always shine brilliantly, but in reality, rough diamonds can look quite ordinary. This misunderstanding leads to frequent misidentification and missed opportunities. Among the various simple methods used for preliminary identification at home, the color test stands out as one of the easiest and most accessible techniques. While it does not provide a definitive confirmation, it offers valuable visual clues that can help you make an initial judgment about your stone. In this article, we will explore in detail how to use the color test to evaluate rough diamonds, what visual characteristics to look for, and how to avoid common mistakes when examining your stone. What is the color test? The color test is a visual inspection method that focuses on analyzing the natural color, transparency, and light behavior of a rough stone. Unlike polished diamonds, rough diamonds do not exhibit intense sparkle, making their color properties even more important for identification. Natural color characteristics of rough diamonds. When examining a potential rough diamond, here are the key color-related features to observe. Subtle transparency. Rough diamonds are usually not perfectly transparent. Instead, they often appear slightly cloudy or milky. Neutral or muted colors. Most rough diamonds come in shades such as pale white, gray, yellowish, brownish. Lack of strong rainbow reflections. Unlike fake stones, rough diamonds do not display intense rainbow-like reflections under light. Presence of inclusions. Natural imperfections such as tiny cracks, spots, or internal lines are common and actually support authenticity. How to perform the color test at home. Follow these simple steps. 1. Clean the stone, wash the stone with water to remove dirt and dust that could affect visibility. 2. Use proper lighting. Place the stone under natural sunlight or a strong white light source. 3. Observe carefully. Look at the stone from different angles and ask yourself, does it look overly clear like glass? Does it reflect too many bright colors? Does it appear naturally dull or slightly cloudy? 4. Compare with other stones. If possible, compare it with quartz or glass. Glass, very clear and shiny. Quartz, slightly cloudy but often more reflective than diamond. Signs the stone is likely not a diamond, extremely clear and glass-like appearance, strong rainbow reflections, too shiny for a rough stone, no visible inclusions or important notes. The color test is not 100% reliable. Some real diamonds can have slight color variations. This method should be combined with other tests like scratch test, fog test, heat resistance test. Conclusion. The color test is a simple yet effective first step in identifying rough diamonds at home. By carefully observing the stone's natural color, transparency, and light behavior, you can quickly eliminate many fake stones and narrow down your findings. However, always remember that true confirmation requires professional tools or expert evaluation. Think of the color test as your first filter, a practical way to get closer to discovering whether your stone could be a real diamond.